In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your primary Mailchimp homepage dashboard in Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign in to your Mailchimp account so you can access your main homepage dashboard view. Once you're inside, take a moment to let the screen fully load. This is your central workspace, and it gives you a quick snapshot of what's happening across your account. Starting here helps you get oriented before you move into specific tools or sections. On the main dashboard, look at the metrics overview and analytics summary cards. These panels are designed to give you a high-level view of recent activity, so this is a great place to scan for trends without digging too deeply. Pay attention to the subscriber growth lines and any recent performance indicators shown in the summary area. This view is especially helpful if you want to quickly understand how your audience has been changing over time, or if you simply want a fast health check of your account activity before taking the next step. After reviewing the dashboard summary, move to the Audience section. Click Audience to open the area where you can check your lists and review the profiles connected to your account. This section is commonly used to manage the people in your database, and it's also where you may handle imports and track how your contact information is organized. As you look through this area, focus on understanding how your audience data is structured, since that will make future email campaigns and automations easier to manage. Next, click Create. This is where you begin building new marketing content inside Mailchimp. From here, you can launch email newsletters, start landing page projects, or create automation journeys depending on what you need. Think of this section as your main starting point for production. If your goal is to send a campaign, collect leads, or set up an automated sequence, this is the place you'll return to again and again. As you move between these sections, use the left side category icons in the navigation bar to travel through the back-end workspace smoothly. That sidebar is there to help you switch quickly from one area to another without getting lost. Becoming comfortable with that layout will save you time and make the platform feel much easier to use. Once you've reviewed the dashboard, check the audience area, explored Create, and practiced using the left side navigation, you'll have a solid understanding of how to move around the main Mailchimp workspace efficiently.